Hello, friends. It's Mr. Foster here. I hope all you guys are well, staying safe. Good news. We've got some in-person instruction that's coming sooner than later. K2 is coming out first, and then 3-5 will join us in February. So just a couple more lessons that we'll be doing virtually, and then can't wait to see you guys in person. Um, yeah, so we'll get started. We're going to branch off from our soccer unit just for a little bit, just because we've got some classes that are at some different paces. So we're going to do what's called a flip a coin fitness activity today. Make sure you have some space. Um, but essentially what we're going to do is you're going to pick heads or tails before we start. Depending on what the coin lands on will determine what the exercise you will complete. So there'll be a heads, there'll be a tails, whatever you chose, you'll complete that exercise. You'll have 30 seconds. And like I said, make sure you have enough space. And like I always tell you, have fun and do your best. So we'll go to the next slide here, and what will happen, oops, here we go. So you'll choose heads or tails. I will flip our coin flip thing here. We'll go one more time. Tails, tails it is. So tails, if you chose tails, you are going to complete the exercise on this side, lunges. And if you chose heads, you're going to complete mountain climbers. And the timer already started, so if you hadn't started, get going. You've got about 15 seconds. Again, try your best. If you'd like to incorporate somebody that you live with or an adult, you may certainly do so as well. You got about 10 seconds. 5, 4, you're doing a great job, folks. Keep it up. 1, and done. Good job. Very nice job. All right, I'll give you a chance to catch your breath a little bit. We'll do this one more time. Again, so you'll pick heads or tails, and just be ready because the timer will start immediately once the slide pops up. So just be ready. Give you a couple more seconds here to catch your breath. Here we go. And tails again. Tails again. If you chose tails, you are going to complete high knees. If you chose heads, you are going to do jumping jacks. And again, the timer started. So if you haven't started, get going. You guys may recognize some of our presenters. These are some of our young boys and girls that are in the child care that were so gracious to volunteer to record some of these videos. So I think there's a couple 5th graders and a couple 4th graders. You got about 10 seconds. Keep going. You're doing great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Good job. If you need to catch your breath, grab a drink. You may certainly do so. We'll have one more opportunity, one more round. And again, make sure that you start right away as that timer goes right when the slide turns. And here we go. Heads. Finally, we got a heads. Here's a heads. On the left-hand side here, as it pops up, I want to say it's bushwhackers. Arm swings for tails and bushwhackers. Here they go. Bushwhackers for heads. Oh, come on. There we go. Sometimes technology just doesn't want to cooperate. You got about 15 seconds. Keep going. You're doing a great job. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great job. Great job. Grab a drink. Obviously, I appreciate your participation. Great job. I hope you guys had fun. Obviously, Mr. Foster. And then also what you will be doing is you will be completing the learning link, which you just need to circle how the activity made you feel. So thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down. Complete the learning link. As always, if you want to include a picture, you may certainly do so. You don't have to, or a video. And I miss you guys. I hope you guys are well. Reach out if you have any questions, and I can't wait to see you soon. Take care.